It was supposed to be a smooth morning, but then the madness began.
Where are your socks? We can't leave with one shoe and no socks.
Maybe I packed them somewhere?
And that's when the great sock hunt officially began.
Next time we pack the night before.
At last, they were ready to hit the road.
You just saw what's possible, and the best part, you can do it too. In these tutorials, I will show you step by step how to create your own animated story using ChatGPT 4.0 and a few simple AI tools. Okay, then you need to open ChatGPT and then you come here to explore GPTs. And then this is what you're going to come across with, and then you come here and then you search for animation script builder. So you just write animation script builder. Okay, then you're going to click on the first one. Okay, then you come here to start a chart. Okay, then you need to make some selection here. Make a 2D a cartoon script about a superhero kids. I want a 3D animation script with a 2. Write a script with narration and a single character. So I'm gonna just give it a prompt. I'm gonna paste it here, and then I come to this, I click it, and then I'm just need to wait for some few seconds. Okay, so this is the story that ChatGPT has created for us. So what's going to happen now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the first character, which is the mother, and then I need the image for the mother. Okay, then you come here and then you click on this arrow. Okay, then you're going to need to ask ChatGPT to create the image for the mother. So let's just say create the image for the mother, then click okay, and then you need to also ask for the daughter's image. Okay, so you're gonna need to wait for this image to be created before you can just ask for the next one. So there are lots of people that are actually using this platform, so you're gonna need to be a little bit patient with the system. Okay, so this is the image of the mother, and then this one is the image of the daughter. So you can ask ChatGPT to create the first scene, which is this one, and then I went ahead and asked for the second scene. It gave me this image, which is not the right size. So you just need to give ChatGPT the dimensions of your images so that it can create the right image. All right, and then here it created the right image, and this is the fourth scene. So it went ahead and created me the other scene until it finished with the last one. So I waited, and then this is the last 2 images of my stories. So we just need to be patient with the AI since you are creating this with the free version. Moving to the next chapter, which is to turn these beautiful images into a video. Okay, then today we're going to be using Hello AI. So you're gonna need to sign in, and then after signing in you can just come here to the image creation, and then after that you can just come here. Let's just click on this plus sign. So we're gonna just bring one of the image into this platform. So you're gonna need to wait for the image to download. So the image is being downloaded. Then you're gonna need to give the AI the prompt on what you want your image to do. So we're gonna need to write something. Let's just say busy packing. Then you come here to generate. So these are some of the results of what I was creating before. So everything looks great. So what you need to do now after you are done is to download all the images, all the videos, to your computer. So you can just come here and then you download. So you're going to download it with the watermark. Okay, then after that you can just continue with this process until you are done with everything or with all your images. Moving on to the next process, which is text to speech. So we're gonna go to 11 labs and then we start creating the voices. Okay, then we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and then we get the script for the narration. Okay, we're gonna come here to dialogue for the daughter. So let's just copy the dialogue for the daughter. Then we come here to 11 labs and then we paste it here, and then we go to the voices. So we need to choose the voice that will be suitable for the daughter. Selecting the one that you love, you need to click on this use, and then you come here to generate the speech. Okay, then you need to repeat this process until you're done. You select the different voices for the different dialogue. So then after you're done, you can come here to download. Moving on to the next process. So what's gonna happen now, we're gonna move to the website. It's called Dream Phase. So this is where we're going to bring our video and the text to speech so that we can combine them together, so we can create the lip syncing on our videos. So we're gonna come here to photo and videos, click on this blood sign, and then you come to this arrow. All right, we're gonna need to upload the audio, so we click on this again, and then we're gonna look for the audio. You listen to it and make sure that it's
Where
the
are
right
your
one.
socks? We can't leave with one shoe and no socks.
All right, this is the right one. And then you're gonna scroll down and then come to generate. Click on that sign and then you wait. Where you're going to find all your completed projects. Then just click on that and then comes to the first one, and then you come here to click.
Where are your socks? We can't leave with one shoe and no socks.
All right, so this is perfect. So what is next now? Okay, so as you can see, everything is perfect. The only thing that is not right is this watermark around here. So there's a website, it's called superwork.ai. You can just come here and then you click, and then you can just come here and then bring your video and then remove the watermark on your images. So you can just use this website. It's for free. Then you brush the watermark like that, and then you come here to confirm it, and then you click create. Then automatically it's going to remove the watermark. So this is just a simple website. It does not need so much. You can use it even without signing up. So I've actually made a video about this. If you are interested, you can just go and watch that video so that you can understand how to use this website. So we're gonna move to the last part, which is Canva. So we're going to edit everything on Canva. So all you need to do is to bring everything into Canva so that you can start editing. I've got a lot of videos where I'm showing how to edit how to put everything together. I'm not gonna do that today. So this is the final video. And that's how you can turn simple ideas into a full 3D animated story. If you enjoyed these tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new project. Ready to create your own animation adventure? Let's keep building amazing stories together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.